So, I have, it is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. Okay. What other messages do you have for Leo, please? Trust. The situation is calling for you to have faith. Okay. Last card for Leo, please. Let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. All right, Leo. Okay. It is safe for you to love, trust, let your friends help you. Okay. Alright, so again, before I start, y'all know this is a general reading. So it may not resonate for everyone. So just take whatever fits your situation. And y'all know it could go vice versa. Alright. One more time. What is going on with Leo? Alright, here we go. Leo, bottom of the deck, you guys have the Ten of Wands. So this is telling me that you guys have been carrying a burden here. Maybe you guys are feeling like you've done everything for, you know, within a situation. And this is why you don't have a peace of mind. Alright, tell me more. Alright, so it looks like you guys are now using your intuition about a situation. You could have been dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But at this point, you're no longer putting the time, effort, or energy into that situation and you're focusing on yourself. I do feel like either there's something that you want to say to this person, but you're not. Or this person is trying to come back in because they want to say something to you. Alright, so honestly, whoever messed up, this person wants to come back in to give you an offer. They want to turn things around with you. They don't want to fight with you anymore. They want to come out of this conflict here and, you know, work on things with you. But it's like y'all aren't speaking. Or maybe this person isn't speaking up. Somebody could have blocked out communication. But yeah, it's like whatever it is that this person wants, you know, they're not saying anything. And maybe it's because they feel like they're not going to have a victory with you. Because y'all, like I said, y'all could have blocked them. Y'all blocked this person. But yeah, I mean, either which way, communication is definitely not there. But I do feel like somebody wants, I feel like they learned their lesson. I feel like justice has been served. Like if they did you dirty, something took place behind the scenes with them that you don't really know about. But I feel like, oh yeah, something took place. And at this point, you know, they want to come towards you to fix things, to maybe give you the truth, but they're just moving entirely too damn slow for me. Okay? So they're moving slow. This person is just like taking their sweet time. Maybe they're trying to, you know, get it together because they don't know how to approach you at this point because they messed up so bad. They could have put you guys in some type of third-party situation, and it, you know, doesn't have to be another man, another woman. It could be family member, friends, whoever, but there was some type of interference here. But at the end of the day, I feel like they got out of that situation, or maybe that's what they wanted to tell you, that they're getting out of it. Which could be why they're moving slow, because they're trying their best to get out of it, you know. But whatever. They want happiness with you. So they made a decision that they do want to come towards you, but they know that there's a lot of conflict going on between you two. There's a lot of arguing going on, but they're, you know, putting their ego and their pride to the side, and they want to come towards you really fast to give you some type of communication. But you guys feel like you got left out in the cold by this individual. And to be honest with you, I'm actually feeling like this individual feels like you left them out in the cold. Like, you guys blocked them, or you cut off communication, and they basically, this person can be a little manipulative, because like the tables turn, you know. It's like they were doing you wrong, and then now it's like when you guys finally set your boundaries, you put your foot down and you just stop with the nonsense, you cut them off. Now they feel like you left them out in the cold. Like, how dare you, Leo? How dare you leave them out in the cold because they messed up? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. How dare y'all do that? But yeah, they want to come towards you and, you know, give you some type of truth here. So let's see. Okay. Yeah, see, look at this. I feel like, yeah, they know that they have to get rid of options here, the other options that they did have, if they want to be with you. I do feel like you guys look at the situation like there's nothing else that you can do. Or there's nothing else that you want to do with this individual because you've literally tried to do everything. You guys have literally tried to carry the relationship. And you put in all the work by yourself. And you're frustrated at this point because you're kind of like, leave me alone, you know? I do feel like you guys really did want things to work out with this person, but, you know, y'all are over it, so you just cut them off. Somebody's definitely dealing with an air sign here. Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra, but yeah, you cut them off. But look, by you cutting them off, now they want a commitment. They want a relationship with you. They're ready to come back in. Tell me more. Yeah, somebody's in their head big time. There's a lot of mental anxiety because they're feeling like, okay, they lost you. They feel like they're not going to be able to have this relationship. And this is why you're not hearing from them, guys, because they isolated themselves from you. Yeah, somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. But I do feel like, again, this person does want to move forward with you. I feel like they want to come and see you, but you guys are just looking at them like you don't see anything improving at this point. You're coming out of being frustrated about the situation because you're starting to realize you're not going to have a happy home with them. So, Leo, for some of y'all, I feel like y'all are keeping a close eye on this person, but honestly, I feel like the person that messed up, they're actually watching you because they don't want you to move forward. Yep, somebody's definitely dealing with an earth sign. Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, but this person is watching you closely and they're having a hard time coming towards you, but they really do not want you to walk away. Somebody's coming out of worrying about something here. The person that messed up, because now they want to come towards you and give you this offer, but they're having a hard time doing so. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius, but they're having a hard time because they feel like there's no hope in the situation. You know, they messed up bad. Yeah, look at that. But they're coming out of feeling like, you know, they lost something with you. They're coming out of feeling sad about the situation. I feel like, yeah, they're coming towards you, wanting to give you this offer. But, yeah, the tables have turned because it's like now they're feeling guilty here. They're feeling guilty because they know that you, Leo, you had to carry the burden. You did everything in the relationship. You know, they know that they didn't balance anything out. You know, you put in 100% of the effort, and they were giving you about 45. You know what I'm saying? So it was like, what are you doing? No. And it's like you guys are trying to have strength. Some of you guys could be dealing with another Leo, but yeah, y'all are over it. Somebody has confidence now. Tell me more. See, somebody has confidence because they're realizing that there's an imbalance here with this person. You could be dealing with a Gemini, but at the end of the day, when you look at this individual, you know, like, you know what, you're not stable enough for me. I'm tired of playing this little game with you because this person is coming back to give you an offer, but you're going to end up rejecting it. Could be dealing with an Aries here, but yeah, you're like, no, I'm okay. Somebody's dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But I feel like at this point, Leo, this is you. You're taking on the energy of the Queen of Cups reverse here, which is telling me that you guys are emotional about the way things played out. You're sad because you really did want to be with this person. But at the end of the day, it's like you're no longer expressing yourself to this person. You're not opening up to this person because you're kind of at the point where you're like, for what? You know, why should I keep opening myself up for me to keep getting hurt, which is why you're not taking a leap towards this person. You could be dealing with a Scorpio, but you're just at the point where, you know what, this mess needs to come to an end so that something new can begin in my life because I want things to improve. And when you look at this individual, you're like, you're sneaky. You're sneaky as hell. I don't want to have anything to do with you. Yeah, because some of y'all were dealing with a player. To be honest with you, somebody was playing around. Could have been dealing with a fire sign, an Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius, but somebody was definitely playing around, and they weren't taking the lead, and that's why they weren't taking the lead to work on anything with you or give you something serious because they were too busy entertaining other people or doing other things. And, you know, now I feel like, you know, they're frustrated. They're frustrated, but they're not opening up and they're not talking to you because they do want to come in and balance out the situation with you. Could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but yeah, they want to work things out. But you're looking at them like, I don't think I can trust you. Yeah, somebody's at a crossroads needing to make a decision. The Magician. Somebody's over here, y'all, they praying for y'all. They're over here trying to manifest y'all into their lives, okay? Leo, where are you going? They want to be with you bad. They don't want you to walk away. Judgment is here in reverse. Somebody made a decision. Could have been dealing with a Libra here. But, yeah, I feel like you guys were trying to find out the truth, you know, about this person. Or maybe this person's trying to find out the truth about you. Somebody could be in some type of legal situation, which is why, you know, things didn't move forward with you. Because they feel like they couldn't balance, you know, the situation out. But, yeah, the truth is coming out. Clarify the Tower in reverse, please, for Leo. Ooh, 3 of Cups tried to jump out. Maybe there was definitely a third party, but it's like you guys found out the truth about something. Y'all were looking for the truth, and guess what? Y'all put on y'all inch high, private eye, detecting stuff, you know what I'm saying? Like, y'all had y'all magnifying glass. Somebody was searching high and low, far and wide, and y'all found out something, okay? And at this point, when you found out whatever it is that you found out, you cut this person off. You cut them off. Somebody's definitely dealing with an air sign here, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. And at this point, when you look at them, you're like, you know, whatever it is that I was wanting with this person, I feel like I'm not going to have it. Y'all, the 3 of Cups try to jump out again. Like, I'm going to just need that card to come on out. But it's like, you know, the seeds that you planted with this person, you feel like it's just not going to grow. Y'all ready to pull up that crop. Y'all like, you know what? F them seeds. I'm tired of you. But somebody still loves you. You still love this person. They don't want you to let them go, but again, you don't see anything working out. You don't see anything playing in your favor here. I mean, come on. Okay, but someone does want a new beginning with you. And I feel like that's why they don't want you to go. That's why they're keeping a close eye on you. Somebody wants the situation to improve here. Tell me more. Clear about a 3 of Pentacles, please. Yeah, the truth is coming out. Somebody made a decision, okay? Look at that. Somebody's coming to see you. Somebody is about to travel to come and see you because they want a new opportunity to be with you. They may give you an offer to say, okay, maybe let's take a trip. Look at, I mean, you cannot make this up, Leo. There's the Ace of Cups. Somebody is coming in to give you their cup of love. You know, that's financial security, emotional security, like the whole 9. The cup is just running over. Oh, heck. I told y'all the 3 of Cups kept trying to come out, but that's 2 3s together. I feel like, again, somebody put the other person in some type of third-party situation here. But I will say, I feel like this person wants to come back in because they could come back in offering to take you somewhere. Like, you know, hey, let me take you to dinner. Hey, you know, you want to go to this lounge with me? Let's go catch a movie. You know, just something. Because they do want to start over and build something with you. But I do feel like, you know, you guys are looking at it like, okay, you put me in this situation. You put me in this third party. I'm done with you. And I'm ready to move on. I'm ready to start over. You know, build my life, build it with someone else, go in a different direction. You guys have been working on yourself. You've been healing. And you're coming out of the energy of, you know, this person stabbing you in the back. But, yeah, this person from the past is coming back here. They're coming back because they're ready to put in the hard work to fix things with you. Alright, somebody is definitely dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But honestly, Leo, this could be you. Maybe you're just trying to stay positive here. But you're feeling like, okay, you don't want a commitment with this person at this point. You don't see yourself having this happy family life with this individual. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus, but yeah, it's like that. Even though you're trying to stay positive, like I said, you guys really want to be with this person, but you just don't see, you know, how things will work out in your favor with them anymore. Could be dealing with a Capricorn. But yeah, you're walking away from this toxic situation. Look at that, you're walking away. Yeah. But somebody's frustrated here, and they're coming back. You can't make this up. Okay, so by you guys walking away, this person is getting ready to rush back in. They're trying to clean up what they have on their end, clear away certain obstacles, and they're coming back fast. Because they do not want you to go away. But you guys feel like, okay, I don't want a new beginning with you. Or maybe they're feeling like they're not going to have a new beginning with you. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio, but this person is emotional right now, whether you know it or not. So if you're thinking that this person is just sitting back, talking to other people, they chilling, they hanging out, they on, you know, social media, posting up like, you know, hey, I'm living my best life. No, the hell they not. They're sad as hell, okay? They're upset because you walked away and you don't want to deal with them. So, Leo, you have got to leave me some comments and let me know if this resonates for you guys. And I will be talking to you soon.